Here, Cornell. Here, Cornell.
Ivan Pavlov was born September 14, 1849 in Ryazan, Russia. He died February 27, 1936. He began school at the Ryazan Ecclesiastical High School, then he eventually entered the Ryazan Ecclesiastical Seminary. He was introduced to studies of Charles Darwin and Ivan Chernow. Pavlov decided to transfer to the University of St. Petersburg to gain knowledge about natural science. He became a physiologist after 3 years while he was at St. Petersburg. In 1881, he married his wife, Seraphima, but the first child they had suddenly died at a young age, but they proceeded to have 3 more kids.
Behaviorism refers to the school of psychology founded by John B. Watson, based on the belief that behaviors can be measured, trained, and changed. Behaviorism was established with the publication of Watson's classic paper, Psychology as the Behaviorist Views It, in 1913. Ivan Pavlov was a psychologist and a famous researcher in conditional reflex. This research signaled the start of behaviorism.
The experiment was that he would ring a bell and feed the dogs as they came. Eventually, the dogs would know that when the bell would ring, that he would be able to, they would get fed. So he would then ring the bell, and there would be no food, and the dogs would begin to drool.
Classical conditioning is a type of learning in which a person or thing has a reaction to a stimulus. In Pavlov's experiment, the stimulus was the bell, and the reaction was the dogs drooling.
Pavlov had tremendous influence on behaviorism. His interest in experiments are what made behaviorism more popular field study. Pavlov was highly regarded and respected for his experiments and research. Pavlov was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for his research on digestion. Pavlov stayed free of persecution in Russia because of the nation's pride in his work. He continued in the lab until he died at the age of 86.
Cornell wasn't even ready. Coming? No. You're planning.
No. Go. What are you doing?
Dog, the horn hasn't even.